Hello everyone, I'm Lily and welcome to Lily in the Kitchen. Today we'll be making beancurd with fresh fish. There's a very classic Cantonese dish called beancurd fish belly stew, but it's very difficult to buy fresh fish belly here. One of my classmates really want to learn how to make this dish, and it just so happens that my friends went fishing yesterday and brought me half of the fish. I'm not entirely sure what the fish is, but my friend said it should be mahi-mahi. Alright, let's get started. These are the ingredients we need: fish, dried beancurd, oyster sauce, ginger, garlic, red and green pepper, soy sauce, and green onions. And these three condiments are going to be used to season the fish: white pepper powder, salt, and starch. Let's start cutting the fish up. Then add in white pepper powder, half the salt, the starch, and mix thoroughly. Let's season for 15 minutes. Then split the dried beancurd into segments about 3 to 4 inches. Don't make them too small, otherwise they might break. Preheat a pan with medium heat and put in some oil. Then deep fry the dried beancurd. Fry until there are bubbles popping up from the surface. Be careful not to make the oil too hot, because it's very easy to burn them. Take out the beancurd and soak them into warm water until soft. About 30 minutes is enough time. Preheat another skillet on medium heat. Put in some oil and fry the fish one by one. Flip halfway until every side is golden brown. Take them out and await use. Take out the soaked beancurd, squeeze out the water and set aside. Slice the garlic. Preheat the crock pot, then put in the oil. Put in ginger, garlic, and white part of green onion. After they are fragrant, put in the peppers and saute it together. Until everything is nice and soft, put in the beancurd. Pour in soy sauce, oyster sauce, and the rest of the salt. Then pour in a cup of hot water. Stir until everything is even, then put in the fish. Put the lid on. Turn the heat down to medium when the water starts boiling. After 5 minutes, take the lid off. Carefully mix, making sure that the fish doesn't break. Cook for 5 more minutes with the lid off to reduce. Then put in the green part of green onion. Wow, my room already smells green. The bean curd is seasoned and maintains its chewiness. Very delicious. Alright, that's all for today. And if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you. I will see you guys next episode.